Girl, you're so nice.
Welcome. Is it good? Okay, good.
How you been?
I've been good. I've been tired because I've been working a lot and busy now too.
Girl, I know that's right. Okay.
Sure.
Oh, thank you, Boo. Girl, so what's been going on? You hear about Tamika?
And the baby daddy situation?
Girl,
She doesn't even know which baby daddy is her child's.
you know what's crazy? She came here 2 weeks ago and I literally told her, I said, you need to stop messing with him and see what happens if you don't.
She's not gonna listen.
She's really not.
I told everybody the same damn story. Should I be with him? Should I be with him? We all told her no, and yet she's still with him, and now she's pregnant with her stupid ass.
And I hope it's with
You
him.
hear about her grandma?
Girl, what happened?
Girl, she got the. And she's 80 years old. How do you get the crap at 80 years old? And she ain't even inside the retirement. She got out.
Because you know the retirement homes, they be somebody, uncle in a wheelchair, lady sit on his lap, black, white, all of them, daily.
Oh my god.
Girl, you must make me fart, stop.
When was the last time Tamika got her nails done?
Girl, it's been a long minute. It's giving no self-care. I'm just telling the truth. I'm saying she raggedy, yes or no?
She is right.
She is. Whew. Oh, thank you, boo. Girl was my last, just like I like it.
What do you want to eat?
I'm honestly kind of feeling sushi. How you feel?
Okay, I can do that.
You can do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me just clean up right quick and then we'll go ahead.
Do you have anything?
Yes, sir. I got everything. You good?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, boo. After you.
Thank you.
Okay. Go ahead, girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, you want me to drive or you?
I can drive.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Yes.